Hello, today we are going to install new heat grips to Kymco MXU550. So we have KOSO heated grips and thumb warmer, some wiring and those heat grips and glue and some external parts. So let's see how it goes. So first thing, you need to take this screw out with 6mm Allen key. And after that you need to use some tool to get this away. Okay, so next you have to use pressurized air to get the old grip away. Just put it over here. So next we need to put some grease and install the new part, and also the hot grip. So now it's finally there. It was real pain in the ass. On the other side, I think I need to put some lubricant also inside the hot grip and also on the bar. So next you have to put the old bracket on. You can use the old bracket. Yeah, and then you have to secure this part with the Allen key screw that goes under here. Yeah, that's good. So on the other side, lubricate this good, also inside. It's not easier than the last one. So next we have to install this new thumb warmer that goes on here. But first thing, you need to brush this with the sandpaper. Okay, and then you have one sticker that has insulation. You need to put it on here. So next you have to put some glue over here. And over here. and you can secure it by cable ties. For a while. Okay, so while we are waiting for this to dry, we have to figure out how to connect the cables to the battery. So next we need to move this battery cover. You can do it so that you have to press this clip, and after that it's removed on both sides, and then just push it. And then you can find the battery. So next you have to find a wire that has 12 volts only when the ignition key is turned on. So if you look at the fuse box, you can find DC 12 volts power. So it's that big red wire that you need to connect with the ATV grips. So I have to extend my wire because the original wire is not long enough to connect the hot grips. Make sure to make good insulation to the wire. Okay. You have to disconnect your battery before making any new connections. So after that you have to open up your original wiring loom and cut this red one so that you can attach new wire to the same original wire. After soldering your new wire, you need to also insulate it with some rubber tape. You can put some extra rubber tape to seal this whole wiring loom. So next I think we have to test if our connections are good, and we are ready to test it. So now we have all the electrical connections done, and you have to use cable ties to attach these wires properly, also on here. So over here the only thing we have to do is put the cover on. Yeah, and now we are ready to test it. Okay, everything seems to be okay, so we have to cut this last cable tie off and put this heat shrink on top of this. See how it goes.